Good morning students. Welcome back to my science online class. We were discussing 5th chapter from your science book, right? The chapter name is Food and Digestion. So today let's continue that chapter. So all of you open your books, page number 44. See, healthy eating habits. What are the healthy eating habits we have to follow in our life? See, always wash your hands before and after eating your meal. So, we know this. We have to wash our hands before and after eating our meal. This is very much important. Wash your mouth after eating. After eating, we have to wash our mouth because if some food remains in our teeth or attached in our teeth, it may cause infection. Okay, so we have to wash our mouth. Do not eat uncovered and stale food. We do not have to eat uncovered and stale food because there are many bees will fall at that food items, and also some insects. And also we do not eat stale food. Stale means basi. We do not have to eat stale food. Okay students, avoid eating food sold by hawkers. Always eat a balanced diet. We have to maintain a balanced diet. While eating, you should not talk to anyone. At the time of eating, we should not talk to anybody. Always eat at a fixed time and after a fixed interval of time. We have to maintain time of our eating, and also we have to maintain the time interval. Always eat slowly and chew your food well before swallowing. We have to eat slowly. No need to do fast. And we have to chew our food well before swallow it. Avoid overeating. We have to eat as much our body needed. Not too much, not overeating. Do not overeat. Okay students, turn the page. Avoid eating preserved food and try to eat fresh food only. We have to eat fresh food only. And we have to avoid eating preserved food because in preserved food there must be loss of quality of that food or loss of nutrients, loss of taste also. So we have to eat fresh food. Brush your teeth before sleeping. We have to brush our teeth before sleeping and after dinner also. Healthy ways of cooking food. What are the healthy ways to cook food? Some food can be eaten raw while some others need to be cooked. We eat some food raw while some other food we eat after cooking. Cooking kills germs. Cooking kills the germs present in many food items. It also makes the food soft, tasty and easy to digest. Cooking makes the food soft and tasty. We like to eat tasty foods, so we have to maintain a healthy ways of cooking food, and after cooking the food is easy to be digest. While cooking the food, we must keep in mind the following things. While we are cooking food, we have to keep in mind the following things. Wash all raw food well before cooking so as to free them from dust and germs. We have to wash the raw food materials, raw food items before cooking because it makes free them from dust and germs. Do not throw away the water in which pulses or grams are soaked, as it contains vitamins. We keep pulses and grams in water, and after they are soaked, we Do not have to throw down water because that water contains vitamins, because pulses or grams contain very much vitamins. So use it for cooking. That water we can use for cooking. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting them. They lose their nutrients if washed after cutting. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting them, because if we wash peeled vegetables or fruits, it may lose different nutrients. Because of that, do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting. For boiling, take just enough water so that the water which has absorbed nutrients from the food is not thrown away. For boiling something, do not take too much water. You can take just enough water so that water which has absorbed nutrients from the food is not thrown away. Do not overcook or heat the food again and again. It destroys all the nutrients. If we overcook or heat food again and again, it destroys all the nutrients. Food can be cooked in different ways: steaming, idlis, frying puris, roasting meat, boiling eggs, and baking cakes. We can cook food in different ways. What are the ways? Steaming. We use steaming to make idlis. Frying, for making puris. Roasting, we roast meat. Boiling, we boil eggs. And baking cakes, we bake cakes. Okay students, so these are the healthy ways of cooking food. So it's your today's class. I hope you all understand this class. If you have any confusion, contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a great day ahead.